capitalizing on accessibility. This is huge. When your home finally is debuted on the market, people are going to want to see your property. And it's really important that accessibility is easy for them, because you want as many offers to come in early in the process to get to that bidding war. And there are a few ways that you can help make this happen. First off, showing schedule. So a lot of people will let us know what times of the day a property can be shown. They say, okay, here's 2 times on Monday, 2 times on Tuesday, 2 times on Wednesday. More accessibility, the better. So you want to flip that around. Let us know when it is it can't be shown. Because if there is an hour or 2 on Monday, it can't be shown, and the same on Tuesday and Wednesday, that gives us a ton of time to be able to plug in as many showings as possible. And this really does translate to more money at the end of the transaction. The second way to increase accessibility is to go ahead and grab those pets and make a plan for them early. We have buyers that are so excited to get into a home, and they have 1 or 2 times that they can make it happen. And then the seller has to run home and grab their pets. And so the showing time just doesn't work out. Plan for us to bring a ton of clients through your home by taking your pets and bringing them to a friend's house, a parent, a loved one's house for a few days, so that you don't have to run home from work or wherever you are. We can just show that property as soon as a buyer is interested. Okay, so the third way to help with accessibility and to make this a pleasant and peaceful process for you is to create an exit plan for surprise showings. Without an exit plan, you will find yourself sitting in the car waiting for the showing to be finished. Now, these showings are important. These people want to buy homes, and they want to buy homes now. So you definitely want to get out of your house. But if you don't have a good exit plan, you can find yourself sitting across the street in your car waiting for them to come out of the house. And it's not fun. So create an exit plan for yourself when you know that, okay, if a showing shows up, my agent calls and says, holy cow, these people want to move fast. They want to see the property. Can they see it, a couple hours from now? Or can they see it right now? That you already know that you have a coffee shop that you've picked out. You got your book. You're going to go over there and read a book. You're going to relax, or you've got your favorite restaurant you're going to go to, whatever it is, right? You've got your shoes by the door. Every time a showing pops up, you're going to take a 45-minute walk. Whatever it is, give yourself an exit plan so that it's easier when things show up by surprise. I'm Annie, the CEO of RMG Real Estate, Keller Williams. I'm so excited for you to sell your house in this season. Anything that we can be of help, give us a ring.